Okay, family, I'm back at it again with another quick affiliate marketing food for action message. Now, this message right here is for people that want to find a way to automate their business process. They want the fastest, smoothest way to earn their next commission. There's a few ways that you can do that. I'm not saying that my way is the perfect way, but I'm saying that out of all the ways that I've tried over my last 15 years in the industry, this right here is one of the simplest processes that I've been able to go through. And hopefully for you guys, it will be also. Now, you're going to need a particular tool in order to make this process work for you. But once when you get this tool, you'll be able to use this process for any and every business that you want. So let's start off right here. This right here behind me is what we call the Mega Builder. It's our all-in-one marketing platform system. Now, along with this particular tool, which I'm going to go through the three sections, the three aspects of this tool that you'll really need to focus on in order to be successful. But this right here is going to be a all-in-one marketing system that also has a financial system connected to it, whereas you're able to earn commissions from the promotions of not only this product here, but the additional training that it comes with. Now, once when you get access to this amazing product, you get access to an amazing world and community of entrepreneurs. So I'm not going to get too deep into it. I want to just focus on this main point here so that we can get you step by step on your way to start earning your first commission. So when you open up this Mega Builder, more than likely you're going to start off on your launch pad. And it's going to look like this. You're going to have a background that looks like this. You're going to have a whole bunch of information. But if you're part of the particular system that I'm with, 95% of the steps are already done for you and taken care of. All you have to do is scroll down to this section here where they have these three options: marketing, automation, and sites. Now, for the people that's been using this product or service, I know there's a lot of things that you can actually do within this platform, and it can get confusing. You don't know where to actually go to do the main things that you really need to do, which is create your website, create your landing page, create your emails, and send out your correspondence to your leads. But here's where you find it. Step one, you have your marketing section. I'm going to click on that and I want you to see what's in this section. At the top, you'll see social planner. Next to that, you'll see emails. Now, there's a bunch of other things here, but we're not going to talk about those. We're going to talk about these two. Now, your social planner, this section right here will allow you to automate your your posts to your Facebook, your Instagram, things like TikTok, and other applications. So for those of you who want a system that allows you to post to multiple platforms just at the click of a button or all in one application, this right here will do that, and it's in this section, the marketing section. But right next to that, there's emails, and in that section it'll say campaigns and templates. But I want you guys to ignore this section here that says emails. Even though we're talking about we need emails, right? This is not the section that you're going to go to for this particular process. Let's move on to the next one. Automation. Once when we click into automation, we're going to see at the top, it'll say workflows. It'll say a couple of other things there too, right? But we only want to focus on workflows. Now, workflows is another term for emails or email sequences or email workflows. This is the section where you're going to work on your emails. Now, this is where you have to make the decision as to what you're going to do. Either you're going to use a pre-written email automation that's already done for you within the system. Like I said, 95% of the things are done for you, and that allows you to have a lot more free time to not have to build out different automations. The system itself is going to send out emails that are already pre-done for you. Or you can go up to the top and you can create your own new workflow for whatever product or service you're promoting. Now, keep that in mind, right? So this is where you do your emails. Now, this section here that says sites, when we click on that, we're going to have more options once again, but we're going to keep focus. We're going to focus on, it says funnels, and it says websites right there, right? But I want you to look all the way down, almost towards the end, where it says forms. Now, under forms, it says builder, analyze, and submissions. But this right here may not tell you exactly what you need and why you need it until you click on the actual form section. Now, forms is another word for like your landing page form. That thing on the landing page that collects your potential customers' name, email, phone number, or whatever other information that you want to collect to be able to continue your correspondence. This is where you go to create that form. Now, in this section here, you have two options, and I encourage you to take the second option because it makes more sense as far as you being able to earn those commissions that I was talking about. So the first option would be this. You can click over here at the top, add your own form, which, like I said, you can customize it if you want to just collect the person's name, email, or if you just want to collect the email, or if you want to collect the phone numbers also, if you want to do that and be able to send text messages, this system will allow you to also do that. So you can construct your form however you want. But in the second option, if you actually look at one of the already pre-created forms, for example, the megalink forms, that has a special section on it that links the form to your personal profit center. That means once when the person signs up for your particular product or service that you're promoting, they'll also get access to this system here, and they'll get email correspondence so that they can log into their system and be able to use and learn from the information provided and how they can grow their online business. So that's the magic of doing it the second part, the second way. Now, with that, I don't want to make this training too long. I'm going to close out by saying, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and how you can use these 3 steps here in a simple process, a simple system designed to help you earn 100% commission, up to 200% commissions on certain products, and be able to teach you how to earn high ticket commissions so that you're not having to worry about selling to hundreds or thousands of customers on a monthly basis. It'll teach you the skills necessary in order to serve a few customers monthly and be able to earn 6-figure commissions and income on a yearly basis. So if you want to learn and be part of a system like that, I want to encourage you to comment hustle under this video or click the link in my bio to get started. I look forward to seeing you in the next training, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
All right, everybody. I know what you're all thinking. You came over here expecting a good time. Maybe some laughs, some snacks, just, well, a party. And trust me, I get it. It's easy to say yes to that kind of thing. After all, who doesn't like a good party, right? But here's the thing, one of the hardest things I've ever had to do is bring all of you together for something more. Something that doesn't just feel good in the moment, but that can actually change our lives. I wanted us to sit down and figure out how we can build something together, something that will bring value to all of us in the long run. A business, to be exact. Now, I don't know if it's the idea of hard work, the fear of failure, or just the discomfort of being serious. But getting people to show up for something that builds your future is 10 times harder than getting everyone together for a party. And that's, well, kind of ironic, don't you think? Anyway, I guess this is my awkward way of saying, let's make today about more than just a good time. Let's make it about building something that lasts.
I'm tired of complaining about not having money. It's time for a change.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.